Hi, welcome back to Moose and Chemistry. This is Chemical Equilibrium and Ice Problems Lesson 1. Alright, we're going to be using KEQ to solve the first problem and of course KSP to solve the second problem. Alright, so given N2 equals 2.12 molarity, H2 equals 1.75 molarity, and NH3 is equal to 84.3 molarity, find KEQ. Alright, well, a couple things we know. KEQ is equal to our products over our reactants, because that's what this tells us, right? So now, we're going to call this A plus B plus C. So we're going to put C on top here. And we're going to square C. Why? Because look at that 2. That 2 tells me to square it. And then my A is going to be on the bottom here. And my B is going to be cubed. All right, why is it going to be cubed? Because of that 3 there. Those coefficients tell us what power to raise that particular item to. All right, now, let's go ahead and plug in our numbers that we know. So KEQ equals 84.3 squared times 2.12 and then 1.75 cubed. Okay, so let's do the math. That's going to give me 7,106.49 on top. And the bottom is going to give me 11.62. There we go. Sorry about that. So my KEQ is going to equal, let's see here. So I'm going to take my calculator real quickly. 7106.49 divided by 11.362, 625. Okay. And some change. So 625.46. Or if you like scientific notation, you could write it as 6.2546 times 10 to the second for our KEQ. Either one works. All right, well, that's pretty snarly. All right, so let's go ahead and let's look at our next problem here, okay? Our next problem is using KSP. So let's go ahead and let's think about what it says. The molar solubility of PbCl2 and a 0.10 molarity of NaCl is 1.7 times 10 to the negative third moles in a liter. That is 1.7 times 10 to the negative third moles of PbCl2 will dissolve in 1 liter of solution. What is the KSP? All right, so we have our balanced equation in front of us. So we're going to write this, and now remember KSP is going to equal our PB, and we're going to call this A, and we're going to call this B, just to start it off. A times B squared. Okay. So it's actually going to be 2b because of this 2 right here. This 2 is going to be used down there and in for the square. So this will give me KSP equals 1.7 times 10 to the negative third, right? Times 2 times 1.7 times 10 to the negative third squared. Pretty darn cool, huh? So when we do the math, you get KSP equals 1.7 times 10 to the negative third. We'll put down the outside there. Times 3.4 times 10 to the negative third. And then we're going to square that. And so when we multiply that, we're going to get 1.965 times 10 to the negative 8. And that's it for this lesson. You guys, you be snarly. I will see you back here at Moosine Chemistry.